Hello everybody, welcome. It's me, American Bowhead. Today I got a different project for you. If you're getting bored of all my little boat projects, this one might be for you. If you follow and subscribe because of my boat project, this one's not for you because it's not a boat. Okay, what I'm building here is a mini camper. Everything I do is pretty much mini because it's lighter, it takes up less space, it's usually more efficient, easier to build, smaller. So that's what I'm doing, building a mini camper. So I had some goals in mind for this. I wanted it to be light, cheap, aerodynamics, so that it would also be cheap to drive around with it on there. I'm under no disillusions that I'm going to get the same gas mileage that I got in my truck. I have a 95 Toyota T100 and it gets about 20 miles to the gallon, which I love for a truck. It's got a 3.4 liter V6 in it. I love the truck. It's got 310,000 miles on it. So I'm constantly worried that I'm building this camper for a truck that I'll have in the future and it's not going to fit right. The Toyota Tundra fits the same, so hopefully I can upgrade to that when this one dies, if it ever does. My God, these Toyotas. What do they do with them? They're just running forever. Anyways, weight limitation is just mostly so I can load it on and off the truck by myself because, like you guys know, I really don't have friends that I hang out with anymore. I work with some people I call friends. Friends come and go, you know, when you find out, okay, to be able to do it by myself, and that's what is in the back of my mind, building this whole thing, designing it. All right, open the door for me. And go all the way. Sorry.
Come on.
Okay, I got a couple screws sticking out still that I don't want you to get poked on. The truck I have already has walls and a floor in it. Why do I need to build more walls and a floor just to make it heavier? I mean, come on, guys. The truck bed is not insulated, I'll give you that. The other benefit to the floor in one is that it's more airtight. I'm designing this to not have to be any wider than the cab of the truck so that there's no wind resistance on the sides of the truck and there's going to be as little amount as possible on top of the truck. It's almost 2 feet higher than the top of the cab. And you'll see my experience as a boat builder come into play. I really like bringing ideas from different areas into new areas and seeing if they can, you know, complement each other. So I have the front of this built like a boat, and I don't know much about aerodynamics, but I just have a feeling in my heart that this is going to be less wind resistance than this. I don't know. I know that there's a lot more to aerodynamics than most people know about. There's places where the air will separate and come back in contact, and then where it leaves the cab, and there's a suction behind it, and all this sort of stuff that I'll be able to figure out at the end. For the most part, people with truck campers say, who cares if it ruins your gas mileage? You're not getting a camper to get gas mileage. I get that, but I'd still like to save fuel and money. So this is the way I'm doing it. The way I have it, I don't need to be wider than the truck because the truck bed is 6 feet long and I'm only this tall and 6 feet is like this. And so I'll just sleep this way instead of this way. And then I got a fold up bunk up above it where the kids can sleep the same direction. And it's almost big enough for an adult to sit up there or sleep up there. I guess in the fetal position you can fit quite comfortably.
Got enough room up there for you and Buddy Boo? Spread your arms out. Wow, so much room. Mom and Dad can sleep down there. And then I think I can turn this into a couch.
When I was a kid, if I wanted something, I had too many siblings to get pretty much anything. My parents did all right with money, but they weren't buying me anything. So if I wanted it, I had to make it. And that's what I'm doing here. I see used campers that are $700-800. It's not too bad. I'm hoping to spend less than $500 on this. I don't know. I'm just having a lot of fun with this. I like to think about it when I go to bed at night, and I like thinking that the family's going to get to use it with me.
Hello.
So this is going to be an experience, and the last video is going to be a camping weekend maybe with it.
Where should I put it?
I think that's going up in the bunk. The boys' bunk.
Okay.
I guess you go on the wall or the ceiling? We could put one on both walls maybe.
I want like here, and then it'll go on from here and then from here.
That's a good idea. So now we got to figure out how high we want our table.
Yeah, and then we will eat stuff.
And you can make coffee or something.
So stick around, and if you're a mini boat fan, I won't feel bad if you just don't watch these. I don't blame you. I don't watch some of your other videos either, so I don't know. I like to have fun.
Why do I
I'm just gonna send it, and we're just gonna have fun with it. And we're we, and I'm me, and you're you, and let's just be and stuff. So let's see. Let's just call that a wrap for now. Thanks. Bye.
This is my puppy, and this is the camp pass. And that's the bed, and I'm gonna show you how to get up there, which is my dad will help me.
Coffee.
And this how you get your puppy down. This, drop it, and this how you get out. Woohoo! Fun.
Be sure and subscribe so you get next episode, which is having to deal with this here sunroof. And what's all this? Oh, I'll be darned. Looks pretty cool, right? So go ahead and join me for the fun stuff, and we'll see if it's roadworthy and if it's camp ready, and I don't know. Just thanks for watching. That was the most insincere face I've ever made. I do appreciate you watching, and please join me next time. Thank you. Goodbye. Over and out.